Hello, David here, and the project for today is replacing a front sight on a Ruger SP101. Before I get going, I just want to say, if you're watching this on YouTube, I'm going to block just about everything, because the Central Planning Committee has pretty much done away with the Constitution. So you should be on Rumble. If you want to see this video, go to my site on Rumble. The channel's called davidgpo, the same name as the channel here on YouTube. And you'll be able to see everything over there. I'm going to keep this up on YouTube without a video in the event that you see it. And hopefully you'll be directed to my channel on Rumble. So let's get started. The front sight on the Ruger is black. I put some white paint on there, and it's a lot better, but I want something even better than that, so I went with a fiber optic front sight, and this is the High-Vis from Laramie, Wyoming. Model number Ruger P RGPLW01. This fits all the Ruger SP101s except for the ones chambered in 327. Doesn't fit the 327, and it doesn't fit the P345. I'm sure you'll find other models that will fit. And it also comes with a tool for changing the light pipes. I think it's got a red and a white pipe as well. I'm going to stick with the green. Should give me some rapid target acquisition. It's got instructions for how to change the sights with the tool. The way you change a tool is you have to drive out the roll pin. It's a 1/16 roll pin. And yes, I already started it because I wanted to make sure I wasn't going to have any problems getting the roll pin out, because those very thin punches tend to bend. I have this set of punches from Dasco Pro, and the 1/16 punch bent the first time I ever used it. So I've been using this one. This one is a Craftsman, and that got it going. Of course, you should make sure the firearm is unloaded before you get started. Getting anywhere? It's out. It's in there pretty tight. See if I can knock it with a brass punch. There it comes. It is really tight. Okay, this tool comes with a keychain. Very impressive. Okay, here's a new sight. It only goes in one way. This way would be wrong. Goes this way. I don't think it's supposed to overhang the barrel. There we go. I've read some reports that people were complaining that this part was too wide to fit inside the machine groove, but I'm not finding that problem. So there's a little play in there. I think it would be better if it was too wide, because then you could file it down and get a snug fit. What you don't want to do is clamp this in a vise, because you will crush the sight. This metal at the top of the sight is pretty thin, and once you crush that, you'll be crushing your fiber optic as well. So these are not pre-drilled. You're going to have to hold it in place and drill through for the roll pin. I recommend using a very sharp drill bit. Got it pretty much centered in the hole now. Yeah, that looks much better. And that's a project. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.